I had a few questions from brides asking me how heavy is this headpiece. So I would say it is probably medium heavy. It's not on a heavy side, but it's something that takes a little bit of a consideration to wear. It needs to be propped with bobby pins to secure it a little more securely into your hairdo. And I would personally wear it both for the reception and for the after the wedding party. To me, it doesn't feel too heavy, but if you're someone who is very sensitive, maybe prone to headaches, prone to tension headaches, you don't like wearing too much on your head, then what you could do is to wear this for your wedding ceremony and then take it off and just have either gorgeous sort of wear your hair down or potentially have another headband just for the party, something a little more DIY friendly like this that you can pop in and enjoy for your party. This really will stay put. You don't have to wear any bobby pins to prop it in, and it will beautifully elevate your party look. Let me know what you think.